Okay, so this is the Disney Junior Mini Doctor set, right? It's basically a bow care, doctor bag and dress up set. So it essentially comes the doctor's bag. It has an injection. It has a stethoscope. It also has a hairband. Kriti, do you like this?
Yes, I like.
Do you want to open it?
Yes, now.
So now we will essentially open this thing and my daughter will see. Kriti, do you like Minnie Mouse?
Yeah, I like so.
How much? Little bit, right?
Not so much.
So much? Okay. Let Papa open it.
I like to open.
Okay, so here are all the items, right? This is the bow. This is the doctor coat. These are some stickers. This is the injection. This is like the stuff to see inside the ears.
Like this, like this.
Yeah, inside the ears. Huh? This is a thermometer. This is the stethoscope and this is like a band. Now the thing is, you can put all the stuff here once they are done playing. This way, you can essentially, once they are done playing, they are supposed to put all the toys in the bag, right? And this is like a good way for them, for you to teach them, right? And you essentially close this, and then it's very easy to open it. Even for little kids can open it, right? So they have also got like a storage space at the end, so that the toys are not everywhere. Anyways, so now this is a doll, and my daughter is going to play with it, and I'm going to.
Hi, I am a doctor, Virati.
Hello, doctor.
Baby.
Sure, doctor. My daughter is not feeling well.
When it hurts,
She's not eating properly. Can you please check my baby?
yes, sure. So,
You're checking with stethoscope device?
yes.
Okay.
And now I'm going on one day. Now, what is this?
Whole day she's crying. She's not eating.
No problem. I will take a look. Oh, looks like it has a fever.
Oh, how much fever she has?
There's a fever.
100.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I will check her ear.
Sure.
Now I'm checking ear. No. Oh no, it is an injection.
Oh.
No, I'm taking injection. Okay. Here. Right.
She don't like injection.
But I have to take her.
You're taking care of her.
Yeah, I'm taking care of her. No problem. Let me feel nice.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
Now when we come for follow up.
Next time. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, doctor.
Bye. Thank you.
Kriti, can you please stand up, Kriti?
I can understand.
Okay, so you can see this is like a nice doctor coat, stethoscope, and all the instruments can then be stored here. And this nice Minnie Mouse band, right? And usually if you have a doll or something, then kids can essentially play doctor with it and have a lot of fun. So and they can play with their friends as well. It doesn't have to be like, they can also check their friends. It doesn't have to just be a doll. So it's a very, very good game for kids to play. And it is very nice, it's safe, there is no pointy edges, it's like very, very safe for kids to play. Lots of fun. I'm very happy with it. Okay, thank you.